I got a new air filter we could put in the semi.
Huh?
I got a new air filter we could put in the semi.
Want me to, like, we'll put it in right now?
Might as well.
Okay.
It's pretty dirty.
Sounds good. We're one of the proud few that still uses an actual hand-rolled tarp. Better quality grain that way. Oof. I can't imagine how bad it's going to be covered in dust.
Well, I took it out the other day.
Blew it out. Big Blue deserves better.
Yeah, get to the end of the harvest and finally change the filter. That's great.
That's not the way we normally do it. How many times did you blow out the filter for the combine? Most dusty year ever. Once is good enough.
The machine, if you gotta constantly maintenance it, I just want to go use it.
Yeah. Don't they make these high-dollar machines so you don't have to do all that stuff all the time? And that's how you change a Cummins 444 big
like
cam air filter. Yeah. Nothing to it.
Just never is.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Otherwise, we're gonna take this bad boy and first video of the day. Like and subscribe. Thank you.